I don't know who thought of these boiled bready dumplings, but oh my gosh, they are so good. So to make them, we take 1 cup of flour and we add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter, and you can use a fork or a spoon and mix that in. I will use my fingers, I find, once I get it broken down a little with the spoon, and it makes a nice crumble. Put a well in the middle of your dry ingredients and add 1/2 cup of milk. Now we want to just gently mix that up, not over mix it, and we're going to end up with like a sticky biscuit texture. And that's where we'll stop mixing, and we'll add spoonfuls of it to our simmering pot of soup, stew, whatever liquid you have simmering. And it's important that it's just simmering and not boiling. Boiling may break your doughboys apart. So you want to drop by spoonfuls. This recipe will make about 6 or 7 doughboys. And once you have them all in the pot, you are going to place your cover on. And it's very important you do not remove the cover until they are done, and that's 20 minutes. Have you made doughboys or tried doughboys before, or another type of dumpling? Let me know in the comments. So once they're done, you turn them off, remove the cover, and just let your dish sit for 5 minutes. Then enjoy. I'm looking forward to making these with gumbo next.